So today we're going to talk about the giant sequoias that are in Sierra Nevada. These are like the last of them too, and it's just a nice little 48,000 acre area that they're filled in. You don't really find them around much anymore. They're very tall trees, by the way. That was important information. They appear to be reddish, hence redwood.
So they're in California, though, right?
I got Nevada.
California?
Yes.
California,
Yeah.
Nevada.
California.
That's
Nevada
right.
also?
Yes.
Let's say yes. They're on the Sierra Nevadas, which are
On
a
the
mountain
mountain
range that
range.
runs through California. But I don't actually think that I don't think that their range extends
Maybe not in Nevada.
into Nevada.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that they don't actually.
I didn't pass geography, so.
Oh, you were all set, Antonio.
But they are in California. Okay, just making sure. Just making sure. And then we were talking about, you've said you've been there, right?
Yeah, I think it's that park, and I actually drove through one of the trees they kind of hollowed out. I drove my Jeep through it. Fit right in there.
So
So
there's
it goes
National
right
Forest
through?
Land, and
Yeah.
there's Sequoia, Kings Canyon National Park, and John Muir National Park, and those are the locations where you're going to be able to see. I don't know the
Right.
name of the national forest, but so worth visiting. They're just incredibly large trees.
It was a very long time ago. I think I was 12. I was in 6th grade that I visited in California. It was just north of San Francisco. But so impressive. It blew my mind.
Right.
It really blew my mind. I had no idea just how large these trees can actually be. And not only that, the petrified wood. Do you want to talk about that a little bit, or do you know anything about the petrification?
I do, yeah.
of
So
wood?
I
that's
not
interesting,
specifically
too.
in relation to redwoods, but petrified wood or lithified wood is rock that is essentially a wood fossil. So the same way that fossils are made. So when any kind of fossil is made, a living organism is buried in some kind of a way, and then there's an exchange between the structure of that organism and the rock around it. So slowly over time, the carbon base of that living thing is replaced with rock. And so this happens, and I have a couple cool pieces of petrified wood that I really love to look at. They're just beautiful. But they are pure rock, but they have the shape and texture of like a log or a piece of wood because they've been mineralized, because essentially all the little carbon-based molecules that made up that tree have been traded out for rock minerals.
Yeah, really very cool. So if you
Yes.
want to know more about the redwood forest and the sequoia trees, check out the article that we posted on Facebook, because there's a lot more to learn about them. It's very interesting.
Subscribe!
Come on, push the button.
You know
Yeah, you want to.
Do it.